Alright, everybody, you don't know who this already. Are the Skilla. And hear this now, very delicate thing. Alright. Policeman, them claim to say kill a taxi man or shoot him. Right? So this is now the crime scene I'm gonna show you. Now, a man have a camera phone, a video. I want to take a look upon this.
A taxi man, that bedroom! Taxi man in our deal with a taxi man! Taxi man in our deal with a bedroom! Taxi man! Watch out!
So yes, what me I talk about. Sorry, you know, this said the taxi man get hurt, you know. I mean, that's not a good thing, but you know what I mean? That's one part of the problem we are talking about. We are talking about the fact that the man have the camera phone in his hand like this. Just like this. That means a one hand up, you know. So if one hand up, I don't know when to do the next hand, but he have one hand up. And in my video, police must see that. Police run, come up and say, that boy I lit the mirror a while ago. I don't know if that me clearly here, but I know say that me clearly here. You see me, no, it's real, that's what me here. No, the man said the man lit the mirror. Alright, that's one thing. So that means he said him no see no gun in the man hand. But he run up and said the man lit the mirror. Pointing a gun and running towards the man with the gun aiming. Now you tell me something now. Is that the way you're supposed to deal with it? Yes or no, so the man not supposed to be on the crime scene. But the point is that the way how it deal with it? So in my view, me I said to myself, say, suppose him buck into a drop with the gun and the gun go off. That's how the hell and powder house. You get what me I say? Yeah. I know enough I wanna think if something like that happens still. I know that. I not ask you know, I know enough people think, but just keep that on the profile, listen me. So them hurt a taxi man. That are the big topic. You get what I say? You know, me not tell a lie. There's always two sides to a story. But if the taxi man they really is an innocent youth, you know what I mean? Cause you know, it's rough, it's wicked, you know? Wicked. Worse again, your brother and sister, mother and father would be grief. We don't know what is what, you see me? But wicked man. You see me I say? The earth here is like a day today, a day tomorrow, and anything can come at you. I tell you, it's not a good thing. Alright? So condolences to the family of that brother. You see me I say? And yeah, you know what you think about. Always remember, just try keep on the things straight and keep a keen eye on the road. And just try to be safe, alright? For Skilla to own your seat. And as always, I'm going to tell you if you need to know what go on, you know, you have to click the subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, you know the thing go. My name is Skilla, and that was Skilla's Entertainment.